wonder why. Oh my god, there's always something, you know? Always something. Oh, this should be interesting. How am I gonna get around? Oh, this is fun. Just being stuck on the highway here. Can't even go. Oh, come on! You can do it! Come on! Close. He's close. He must not know I'm trying to get out of here.
Involved?
No, sir.
I was trying to get out.
I was just trying to let him. He was over in the left lane, and I was trying to let him go over.
Oh,
so.
okay. All right. Here, let's see if we can't try and get you out.
I appreciate it. Thanks. Thanks. They got bike cops and everything. That was fun.